Hi, it's origami time again. I haven't done an origami video for a long time. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fox. For this project you need 2 pieces of A4 paper and I need to make it half of it, half of this one. Now I need to square it. So make it a super square and put a line in the middle. So easier. Now we are going to put each corner to the center. We have one line here, so it's easier to adjust the corner. So this is the first step. So basically 4 corners to the center. Now turn it over. Do the same thing again, the corner to the center. So that's how it looks like. Now turn it over again and fold the corner to the center again. So this is this side where the corner fold to the center, and this is the other side. This is important. Now we are going to open it here. Like this. So it looks like this, and we open the bottom one as well. Let's open this one. Open like this. And now we fold these 2 corners out, basically make it looser, open it, and flip it to the other side. Now you got to shape something like this. And in the meantime you can make a rooster. Okay, that's a kind of rooster. That's not what we want to do today. Anyway, let's continue. Put it back in this shape. Now I'm going to do 2 more of this. So I put this aside first, and I'm going to do the third one. Okay, now I've done 2 of them, and let's finish the last bit. This one, I'm going to open this here, one side, but this side I'm not going to do it because this one will be the head. So I opened it, the 2 sides here, and this one I simply fold it up here. So it will look like this from this side compared to this one. So here you can see this is the triangle part. Now the third one is similar, but open this one, only one side, and open all of them here. Flip it over. This will be the tail. So flip it over. This is the tail. Okay. Now we have to put it together. This is the front legs. What we are going to do is to push this together. Okay, I think it fit. Now this is the neck. We need to put the head on top of it. Push this in here. Okay, looks like it fit. Now you can see this is the head here, and this is the tail. And so let me put it here. Yeah, it can even stand. Okay, so this is my fox. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.